Okay, I think it's working. So I have two quadratics here. Well, I have two things for computing the square. So first thing you want to do is you're going to set. This is called a quadratic because it's raised to the power of 2. So that's why it's called a quadratic. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to set equal to x plus 4 over 2. You want to divide it by 2 and you're going to square it. You want to divide this number by 2 and you want to do it like this, in this format. Then what we do, we subtract it from the outside. We subtract the square of it. So we just put back the same thing, we subtract it, squared, and now we just simplify. X plus 2 squared minus 4 over 2 is 2, 2 squared is 4. And you could check this out if you want to. Yeah, let me just proof this for you. So proof of any expansion of a quadratic is equal to x squared plus 2 squared plus 2 times ab, which is 2x times 2, which is just going to be x squared plus 4 plus 2 4x. And we have this minus 4 which comes here. And as you can see, that goes to x squared plus 4x, which is what we had up here. The next one is going to be this, which is like level 2, I guess, because now we have a third term here. So you want to do the same thing, essentially. So set up equal to plus 16 over 2 squared minus 11. Up. Minus 16 over 2 squared minus 11. Solve that out and you should get 16 over 2 is 8, 8 times 8 is 64. 64 minus 11 is 64 minus 11 is 75. That's your answer. This is your third hardest thing that you'll have to do. So first thing you want to do, well, you want to realize that there's a coefficient here, and you want to factorize out that 2. And what I mean by factorizing is you want to take out the 2 from this as well. So we're going to do take out the 2. So 2 times x squared gives us 2x, and we want to say what times 2 gives us 24. Well, that would be 12. That's not 12. Fuck. 12. 12x minus 6. And now you kind of want to just complete the square as normal. Just complete the square in this here. So 2 times x squared, well no, x plus x. I'm going to do another bracket for tidiness sake. X plus 12 over 2 squared minus 12 over 2 squared, close bracket, minus 6. And you want to notice that when you finish the thing up, this 2 still applies to this, to this part. So just keep that in mind. And I'm reaching a 5-minute mark. Wow, should not be this long. But so just simplify that out. So you get 2 plus 6 squared minus 12 over 2 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 minus 6. And you just don't want to distribute the 2 to both the terms in the bracket. So that would be that. And 2 times minus 36 is minus 60. Nope. 72 minus 6. Forgot my equal signs. 2x plus 6 minus 78. And yeah. There. Stop recording. Fuck, how do I stop? Stop. Stop the recording. I can't stop my recording, guys.